Have you ever thought about growing your own plants in pots? Welcome to the world of container gardening, a flexible, space-saving approach to cultivating your favorite plants. With ease of maintenance and a wide variety of plants that thrive in pots, from vibrant flowers to fresh vegetables, container gardening is a versatile choice for green thumbs. Whether you're living in a small apartment or looking to add some greenery to your patio, with container gardening, you can turn any small space into a green oasis. The first step in container gardening is selecting the right pot. It's an art, really, choosing between ceramic, plastic, or wood, each with its unique merits. But don't forget the importance of good drainage to prevent root rot. Remember, a happy plant starts with a good home. Once you have your pot ready, it's time to choose your plants. Look for vibrant, healthy specimens with no signs of disease or pests. Consider the plant's mature size and make sure it's a good fit for your container. Now let's talk soil. A high-quality potting mix is key, as it provides the nutrients your plants need to thrive. When planting, dig a hole that's deep enough for the roots to spread out comfortably, then gently place your plant in the hole and cover the roots with soil. Post-planting care is crucial. Regular watering is a must, but remember, overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. Feed your plants with a balanced fertilizer to help them grow strong and healthy. And there you have it, your own mini garden in a pot. Seeing your plants flourish in their pots is a rewarding experience. Today we've journeyed through choosing just the right container, selecting your favorite plants, planting them, and nurturing them to growth. Now it's your turn to dive into the world of container gardening and harvest the joy it brings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!